Hello everyone, today we're talking about Kia Hatchbacks. These cars are perfect for Egypt. They're stylish, practical, and affordable. Let's find the perfect Kia for you. Kia understands the needs of Egyptian drivers. That's why we're excited to showcase our hatchbacks. Get ready to experience the Kia difference. Why are hatchbacks so popular in Egypt? It's simple. They're easy to drive in busy cities. They're also fuel efficient, which saves you money. Plus, they offer plenty of space for your family and friends. Kia hatchbacks are designed for your lifestyle. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring the open road, Kia has you covered. Kia offers a hatchback for everyone. Whether you're a first-time car buyer, a young professional, or a family in need of a spacious vehicle, Kia has a model that fits your lifestyle and needs. Our range of hatchbacks is designed to cater to a variety of preferences and budgets, ensuring that there's a perfect match for everyone. The Picanto is our smallest and most affordable model. Despite its compact size, it offers a surprisingly spacious interior and a host of features that make it a great choice for city driving. Its nimble handling and efficient fuel consumption make it ideal for navigating through busy urban streets and tight parking spaces. It's perfect for first-time car buyers. The Picanto's user-friendly technology and safety features provide peace of mind for new drivers. With its stylish design and vibrant color options, it also appeals to those who want a car that stands out. Whether you're heading to class or meeting friends, the Picanto is a reliable and fun companion. The Rio is a stylish and practical choice for young professionals. It offers a balance of performance and efficiency, making it suitable for both daily commutes and weekend getaways. The Rio's sleek design and modern features, such as advanced connectivity options and driver assistance systems, cater to the needs of tech-savvy individuals who are always on the go. And the Cerato is our most spacious and well-equipped hatchback, ideal for families on the go. With ample cargo space and versatile seating configurations, the Cerato can accommodate everything from grocery runs to family road trips. Its advanced safety features and comfortable ride ensure that every journey is enjoyable and stress-free. Each Kia hatchback comes with advanced features and technology. From intuitive infotainment systems to cutting-edge safety technologies, our hatchbacks are designed to enhance your driving experience. Features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a suite of driver assistance systems are standard across our range, ensuring that you stay connected and protected on the road. You'll love the modern design and comfortable interiors. Our hatchbacks are crafted with high-quality materials and thoughtful details that create a welcoming and enjoyable environment. Whether you're driving to work, running errands, or embarking on a long journey, you'll appreciate the comfort and convenience that Kia hatchbacks offer. Experience the perfect blend of style, functionality, and innovation with Kia's range of hatchbacks. Let's take a closer look at the 2024 Kia Rio. This compact car is designed to offer more than just a means of transportation. It's a blend of style, efficiency, and practicality. This hatchback is packed with value. Despite its small size, the Rio offers ample storage space, making it perfect for grocery runs, weekend getaways, or even a small move. It comes in 3 trims: LX, S, and X. Each trim level is designed to cater to different needs and preferences, ensuring that there is a Rio for everyone. Even the base LX model has a touchscreen infotainment system. This feature allows you to stay connected and entertained on the go, with easy access to your favorite apps and media. You also get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. These features ensure seamless integration with your smartphone, allowing you to make calls, send messages, and use navigation apps without taking your eyes off the road. The Rio is spacious and comfortable. The interior is thoughtfully designed to maximize space and comfort, providing ample legroom and headroom for both the driver and passengers. It's perfect for families and long drives. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a road trip, the Rio offers a smooth and enjoyable ride for everyone on board. You'll appreciate the user-friendly controls and smooth ride. The steering wheel is equipped with intuitive controls, allowing you to adjust settings without distraction. Plus, the Rio's suspension system ensures a comfortable and stable ride, even on rough roads. Another standout feature of the 2024 Kia Rio is its impressive fuel efficiency. With rising fuel costs, the Rio's economical fuel consumption makes it a smart choice for budget-conscious drivers. The Rio is not just about practicality, it also offers a touch of luxury. The higher trims come with additional features like heated seats, a sunroof, and advanced safety systems, enhancing your driving experience. Safety is a top priority for Kia, and the Rio is no exception. It comes equipped with advanced safety features such as automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and a rear-view camera, providing peace of mind on every journey. The 2024 Kia Rio is a versatile and reliable vehicle that offers great value for its price. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring the open road, the Rio is designed to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. So if you're in the market for a small car that delivers big value, the 2024 Kia Rio should be at the top of your list. Experience the perfect blend of style, comfort, and efficiency with the new Kia Rio. Section 5. The 2024 Cerato Sporty and Stylish. Looking for a hatchback with a bit more flair? The 2024 Kia Cerato is here to impress. With its sleek lines and dynamic presence, this car is designed to turn heads wherever it goes. Whether you're cruising through the city or taking a scenic drive along the coast, the Cerato stands out with its sporty and stylish appeal. Check out the 2024 Kia Cerato. This car is not just about looks, it's about performance too. The Cerato offers a thrilling driving experience with its responsive handling and powerful engine options. It's the perfect blend of style and substance, making every drive an enjoyable adventure. This car is stylish and fun to drive. Imagine yourself behind the wheel, feeling the rush of the wind as you navigate through winding roads or effortlessly glide through city traffic. The Cerato's athletic performance ensures that you have a smooth and exhilarating ride every time. It boasts a sharp design and athletic performance. The exterior features bold lines and a confident stance, while the interior is crafted with premium materials and attention to detail. Every aspect of the Cerato is designed to enhance your driving experience and make a statement on the road. Inside, you'll find a spacious and modern cabin. The interior is thoughtfully designed to provide maximum comfort and convenience. With ample legroom, supportive seats, and a user-friendly layout, the Cerato ensures that both the driver and passengers enjoy a relaxing and enjoyable journey. The Cerato is available as a hatchback or a sedan. Whether you prefer the sporty look of the hatchback or the classic elegance of the sedan, there's a Cerato model to suit your style. Each variant offers its own unique charm and practicality, allowing you to choose the one that best fits your lifestyle. Choose the style that suits you best. The hatchback offers a versatile and spacious cargo area, perfect for those who need extra storage space. On the other hand, the sedan provides a more traditional trunk space, ideal for those who prefer a more streamlined look. Whichever model you choose, you can be sure that the Cerato will meet your needs and exceed your expectations. You'll love the advanced technology and safety features. The Cerato is equipped with the latest tech innovations to keep you connected and entertained on the go. From a high-resolution touchscreen display to smartphone integration, you'll have everything you need at your fingertips. Plus, with advanced safety features like lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking, you can drive with confidence knowing that you and your passengers are protected. Section 6. Kia, built for efficiency and safety. Kia understands the importance of fuel efficiency. Our hatchbacks are designed to save you money at the pump. You'll enjoy excellent fuel economy without sacrificing performance. Safety is our top priority. Kia hatchbacks are equipped with advanced safety features. You'll drive with confidence knowing that you and your loved ones are protected. Section 7. Kia in Egypt. Practicality and peace of mind. Kia hatchbacks are built to handle Egyptian roads. They offer a smooth and comfortable ride. You'll appreciate the spacious interiors and versatile cargo space. Kia offers an excellent warranty program. You can drive with peace of mind knowing that you're covered. Our nationwide service network ensures that your Kia is always in good hands. Section 8. Experience Kia today. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you've learned more about Kia hatchbacks. Visit your local Kia dealership for a test drive. Experience the Kia difference for yourself. Kia, the power to surprise.